Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using self-introduction. Are you ready?
Hi, my name is Emma. I am 6 years old. I live in Bangkok. I love painting and coloring. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Liam. I am 7 years old. I have one little sister. I like to play soccer. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Sophia. I am from the Philippines. I love reading storybooks. My favorite food is spaghetti. Let's be friends.
Good morning. I'm Noah. I am 8 years old. I have a pet dog named Max. I like to draw dinosaurs. I'm happy to be here.
Hello, I'm Ava. I live in a big house with my family. I'm 6 years old. I enjoy dancing and singing. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I go to grade 2. My favorite color is blue. I like to ride my bike. Let's play together.
Hello, my name is Mia. I'm 7 years old. I love to eat ice cream. I have 2 brothers. Nice to meet you all.
Hi, friends. I'm James. I study in grade 1. I like watching cartoons. I can count from 1 to 100. I'm excited to learn with you.
Good day. I'm Isabella. I'm 6 years old. My hobby is baking cookies. I love going to the park. Thank you and goodbye.
Hi there, I'm Lucas. I live with my mom and dad. I'm 8 years old. I like reading and solving puzzles. Let's have fun learning together. Thanks for listening.